Hey guys, it's me Rahul and today I'm gonna show you how to disable Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. It's actually pretty simple. So what you need to do is you just have to right click on the start menu icon, go to settings. Then from here, click on gaming. Then from there, click on this Xbox Game Bar menu. Then just uncheck and turn it off basically, right? So this will just disable it whenever like this Xbox Game Bar pops up whenever you connect an Xbox controller to your PC. So that this disables that. So if you want to disable the app itself, what you need to do is you have to go to apps. Then you have to click on apps and features. Then on the app list, search Xbox. And here you will see that Xbox Game Bar is there, right? Then just right click on this three dot and there is no option to move or uninstall, but there is an option. So click on advanced options. Then from here, what you can do is on this background apps permission section, you can change it to never. And one additional thing that you could do is you could terminate the current running process as well. So it is fully disabled, right? Because it won't run in the background and you have also terminated the current running process. That is how you basically disable Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. Thank you.